Hello friends, if you are looking for the best free web hosting providers in 2026, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will be sharing the 5 reliable options for creating a blog, a portfolio, a student project, or a test website or a simple personal website without paying any money for your web hosting purchase. So let's get started. At number 5, we have freehosting.com. It offers 10 GB of storage, unlimited bandwidth, one email account, one MySQL database, cPanel, and application installer. You can also connect your own domain. However, the free plan does not include important premium features such as SSL certificate and SSH access. At number 4, we have Wix.com. It combines a drag and drop website builder with free managed hosting. It is best for beginners creating portfolios, landing pages, or small websites. The main limitations are Wix branding and Wix subdomain unless you upgrade. At number 3, we have WordPress.com. Their free plan includes managed hosting, an SSL certificate, website themes, and WordPress blog editor. It is good choice for blogs and content focused websites, but your site will use a WordPress.com subdomain and advanced customization required a paid plan. At number 2, we have Blogger.com. Google's free blogging platform lets you create and manage a blog using your Google account. It is simple, requires no hosting setup, and supports publishing posts, pages, images, and even AdSense monetization as well. At number 1, we have infinityfree.com. It provides 5 GB of storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL and PHP and MySQL support, free subdomains, custom domain hosting, and WordPress installation through Softaculous. It also has no forced advertisement or fixed expiry period. Remember, free hosting is best for learning, testing, and hobby related website. But if you are really serious about creating your own online business or start an affiliate website, then I would recommend you to go with either Hostinger or Bluehost, because both of the hosting are very cheap and they provide so many premium features at a very cost-effective price. You can check the link in the video description, or you can visit our website besthostingcoupons.com and grab the latest discount on both Hostinger and Bluehost on many other websites as per your requirement. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.